Happy March, everybody! Our first craft this month is to make this funny flip face. You'll see there's different eyes, different noses, different lips or mouths. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. Go to the library and pick up your own craft kit. At home, you'll need some markers or anything to color with. Inside of your bag, there's a piece of cardboard with 3 holes punched into them. And also, there's some index cards and some little rings. You should have 3 of the rings. And there's my last one. You'll notice on here there's additional instructions for you right here on the website. You'll be given 9 index cards, and each one has a hole cut out into it so that you can have 3 of them with the holes lined up with the holes on the cardboard. Now, to start, I'm going to grab one of my rings, find the clasp where it opens, and you're going to pull it open. It might be a little tough because these are brand new rings. You're going to put the rings through the holes on the index cards. You might need to rearrange some of your cards, turn them around so that the holes line up. After you put the ring to the index card, you're going to put the ring also on the cardboard through the hole there. And go ahead and close the ring. Now it'll flip like a book. I'm going to go ahead and put the rings on the next 2 sections now. Alright, now we have all of our index cards on our cardboard. The top one will be for the eyes, the middle one for the nose, and the bottom one for the mouth. Be sure to make it silly. For this next nose, I'm gonna make it a regular nose with some boogers coming out of it. Ew, gross. And there it is. There's the flip book. Now you can look at all the silly faces that you can make. Flip the eyes, flip the nose, flip the mouth. See how many different faces you can make. You can also add more index cards if you want to have even more options.